What's up, boys and girls? David, 702 from Las Vegas to Friday, November 9th, Veterans Weekend. It's a 3-day weekend in Las Vegas. And you know what that means. That means another staycation on the Strip. Got a great room tonight I want to show you, so let's check it out. What's up, boys and girls? David again, 702 from Las Vegas to you, coming to you on November 9th. It's a Friday, it's Veterans Day weekend. We got a 3-day weekend in Vegas, and we always find that incredibly fun. So wife and I are doing a staycation this week. I want to show you another property here in Vegas. You know, in our history, I think I probably mentioned this in other videos, I found it very informative if I'm traveling around the country, around the world, using YouTube to search for other hotel destinations, see if I can't find people who've been there who uploaded videos from the hotel, or even room reviews, which I find very informative. And that's what I want to do for you guys. I want to provide some information so when you're planning your trip, wherever it may be, and hopefully some of my past destinations or destinations you're considering, I want to be able to show you what's around, what I think of the room, pros, cons, where it is, you know, pricing, all those things. So today we have a winner for you, I think. First time I've ever stayed here. I've never been to this location, but I want to provide you some hotels that are off the Strip. You don't always have to stay on the Strip. Staying on the Strip in a casino, that's great, but maybe a lot of people don't want the action of that. They don't want the smoking in the casinos. They want to be a little more quiet, laid back, get off the Strip a little bit. I think this is one of those places. The caveat with that, the warning is, when you're booking these, you know, do a Google search, do a map search. Make sure you're not too far from the Strip, unless you got to rent a car and you're fine with that. You want to be within a few blocks, a mile or two from the Strip. You don't want to be too far away. Las Vegas has a lot of hotels. We also have casinos that are off the Strip, and they are, you know, 5, 8, 10, 12, 15 miles off the Strip. Going to put you in a place you may not exactly want to be. While they're nice, they're not around all the action, and of course Las Vegas Strip is where all the action is. So as you're reviewing these hotels, make sure you check distance to the Strip, things like that. Today we're staying at the Platinum Hotel and Spa. This one is about 3 blocks off of the Strip. We are kind of right behind Bally's, behind the Cromwell. We're also behind the High Roller. So no casino. These are 1-bedroom units. They are suites. This one does have a full kitchen, and I'll bust out the video in a little bit and show you that as well. This one has a view of the Strip. So we're on the 9th floor today. We're looking towards the Strip, and looking to provide you some great information. Once again, the Platinum Hotel and Spa. You do have other choices when you're staying on the Strip, so don't always feel like you have to. Maybe you can't spend that money at the Cosmo, Bellagio, Aria, things like that. For this weekend, Hotel.com, I think it was $119 a night, and total resort fee was $63 for 2 nights, about 30 bucks a night. I think this is a wonderful alternative, and unlike, you know, the ones on the resorts or on the Strips, sometimes, you know, like ones like these, you got a balcony. We're overlooking the pool. It's got a pool, jacuzzi, so it's got almost everything you want. No casino, but we're just, you know, we can walk to the Strip in 8 minutes. So. And I hope you guys like this. I hope I provide you some valuable information. But I want to thank you guys also for subscribing. I've been getting some amazing comments lately. So please, if you find my content helpful, hit that subscribe button for me. Tell me where on the Strip you'd like me to go. My wife and I love to stay on the Strip, so we'll be booking more rooms on the Strip and casinos and things like that. I also have a video I need to upload from Cancun, which is a little bit farther down the Strip, but that's also an alternative. So let me know what you guys want to see, and I'd be happy to give you some resort tours, some room tours, things like that. All right? Take care. Room 916, boys and girls. We are the Platinum Hotel and Spa. We got ourselves a 1-bedroom unit. Let's check it out. Sweet. Wife and I love our suites, and we found this room to be very cheap for the weekend. Great price. Comes with a full kitchen. It's got everything you need. Refrigerator, microwave, stove. They offer everything you need. You got the place settings, dishes, got some snacks. I brought the snacks. They don't provide snacks. Toaster. What do I got over here? Nothing over there. Let's find some cups. There we go. Wine glasses, some cups. Awesome. Microwave stove, electric stove. Refrigerator, water dispenser, ice maker. Let's see what look, I got little Lagunitas brown sugar. I got some cheese and sausage. All right, so here we go. This is the kitchen. I see a coffee maker over there. I see an ice bucket. This is the living room. Nice couch. Looks like a clock radio system over there, maybe a Bose. Got a balcony. Sun is setting in Las Vegas. We got a workstation. We got a TV. We got a fireplace, and it's chilly this weekend. We might be turning that bad boy on. Oh, another super cool thing. Look at this. Washer and dryer. If you guys are staying for an extended period of time, there you go. Stackable washer dryer. They even provide you a little bit of detergent and fabric softener. Ironing board. Iron. There you have it. Got to stay a week or so. Need to do some laundry. There you are. Alright, let's check out the bathroom. There we go. Nice bathroom. Good lighting. Big vanity. His and her sinks. Wife's going to love that. We got the shower right there. Decent shower. Jacuzzi tub. We love our jacuzzi tubs. So I was informed by the hotel though that they are beginning to phase out the jacuzzi tub and just turning them into soaking tubs. So good size. Nice and wide. Able to get 2 people in there, no problem. We got a little closet action in here. There you go. Into the bedroom. King bed for us. They do offer 2 queens. Got a TV right there. Some dressers. A nice chair. Got another closet for you right here. Got a safe up in there. Extra blanket. Window's incredibly dirty, but there's the Las Vegas Strip. Shows you how close we are. Flamingo, Bally's, Paris, Cosmopolitan, Planet Hollywood, all right there. Little moon action up there. I don't know if you can see it, but looking down, that's their pool. Jacuzzi. It's a heated pool too. Looks like that's on the 5th floor, I believe. And the high roller going right there. We're a little cold this weekend. It's wintertime in Vegas. We're only looking for highs in the 60s, so us Veganites, I don't know what we call us. We're like, holy cow, it's cold. So this is a nice place. I really enjoy it. It looks nice. Just checked in. Got to go get the wife. She's getting off of work. Tonight we're going to go see Blink 182 at the Palms. Looking forward to that. So here we are, Hotel Platinum. It's called the Platinum Hotel and Spa. Nice place. Oh, let me take you in the balcony. Let me take you on the balcony. A lot of places sometimes don't let you on the balconies here in Las Vegas, but here we are. There's a good view for you right there. Friday night. It's only about 4:30. Oh, something's going on over there. I'm gonna have to keep my eye out this week and see what's over there. Super cool. But anyway, it's Friday, November 9th. It's about 4:30. People just getting off of work. People are just arriving. It's the Las Vegas Strip. It's going to be crazy. Wife and I doing 2 nights. Going to a concert. Having a nice dinner. Just having some time to ourselves. We love Vegas. We hope you guys find Vegas exciting too. If you've never been here, you got to check it out. Las Vegas is an amazing city. So we'll be posting more videos. We'll be posting more videos throughout the weekend. Get you some great night shots from here. So there's a famous Ellis Island. A lot of people go to Ellis Island right there for karaoke. They got some cheap, decent food. We got Top Golf right over there. Right in the heart of everything. MGM, Delano, Mandalay Bay. You can see a little bit of Excalibur over there. See Dre's over there. So there you have it, boys and girls. Platinum Hotel and Spa, right off the Vegas Strip. It's a 3-day weekend. Happy Veterans Day for you coming up on Monday. It's going to be an exciting time in Las Vegas. We hope everyone enjoys our videos. Going to get this uploaded soon. I want to thank you again for your support. I love posting videos like this for you guys. Once again, 702 from Las Vegas to you, David, signing off.